Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be introducing some more nouns relating to places. The focus is on the country of Jamaica, and I will be giving the Oy'Nissh translations in Guayfemir and Veeliksa for the country, counties, and parishes. I invite you to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so you can be posted with the latest videos. Thank you. In English, Surrey. In Guayfemir, Pachoria. In Veeliksa, Pachoria. Thanks again for watching. This concludes the first part of the translation of Jamaica and the counties. The second part will now see me going through the translation and pronunciation of the parishes. And I'll be starting with St. James.